Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dreams Channel. Academic Dreams Channel is a classroom for B.Ed course. So in the continuation of our discussion, today we are going to discuss a very important topic from the paper Action Research. So in Academic Dream, in this classroom, we usually discuss different topics of different papers, taking the help of different questions which are asked in different universities in different time. For example, here is a question taken in the topic, discuss the importance of action research for the professional growth of teacher. So for the professional growth of teacher, this question is often seen in different years in the question paper of action research. So what is the question? Discuss the importance of action research for the professional growth of teacher. Usually, action research is important for all the profession, but it is very important for the teacher of different level. So, the teacher should go for action research to identify and to solve different problems and how to remove the different problems, how to collect data, how to know the causes of different problems in the classroom. That is why if the teacher goes for action research, he can gather different information, vast experiences, knowledge, skills related to the problems of students in the school, and thus he can solve all these problems. And definitely, when the teacher is able to solve all the problems, it will gradually improve his teaching and profession. That is why professional growth of teacher, importance of action research for professional growth of teacher. That means why the action research is important, especially for teacher. Usually, action research is important for all the professional work, but it is very important for teacher due to a number of reasons. Where we have written the reason why it is important for teacher and how it can help in professional growth of teacher. So, action research number 1 leads to better teaching. When the teacher do action research, he will know the different causes of the problems of student, and thus it will help in his teaching. Number 2, action research leads to better learning. So when the student will know the cause of their different problems, when the teacher will be able to help to solve the different problems of the learner, the student will learn better in school and in the classroom. So it is a professional growth. Number 3, helps to know problem of students. That means action research helps to know problem of students. So there may be a number of problems of students in classroom. Some of the students may not do the homework regularly. So a topic of action research may be only on that. Some of the students may unable to follow the dictation of the student. Why it is so? What is the reason behind it? The action research may be simply on that problem. So, helps to know the problem of students. The teacher may know the merits and demerits, strong and weak point of particular method also. Action research helps to solve problems. When the teacher will know the problems of the student, through action research, the teacher will find out the causes behind it, thus he can solve the problem. Number 5, helps teacher to use right method. Action research helps teacher to know the right method for the particular group of students, for particular level of students. Because It is action research which will help the teacher to know the utility and suitability of a particular method for a particular level of student, considering their IQ, considering their mental capacity. Number 6, action research helps develop skill of teaching. So skill of teaching, how to ask question, that is a skill. How to write question, it is a skill. Stimulus variation is a skill. So all these skill will develop if the teacher will find the causes of different problems of learners. If the teacher will relate it to the environment of students and so on. Number 7, action research improves the practice of teacher. So what is the practice of teacher? Daily teaching, daily use of audio visuals, daily use of different method of teaching, daily way of management of classroom. So all these practice can be improved through action research only, because action research is a kind of research which is done simply on different problems of the learners, and as I have given example on different topics of action research. Number 8, classroom action research is to improve classroom teaching. So some of the problems are related to only classroom of the students. So some of the students may not attentive in a particular classroom. Some of the students may not follow the dictation of teaching of a particular teacher of a particular subject. So classroom related problems, when the teacher do action research on classroom related problem, that is called classroom action research, and that is very important for teacher to develop as a whole his teaching and to make himself student friendly, to make his teaching student friendly, to develop the professional qualities. So action research help directly or indirectly in the professional growth of teacher. Dear trainees, I think so this concept is very clear for you. We'll meet once again taking some new questions and problems. Till then, thank you.